Welcome to a quick review video on the Novsight LED headlight bulb upgrades. So I just thought I'd do a quick comparison. So that's a standard bulb to the LED bulb on the right. You can certainly see there is a massive difference between the two. I've just been out for a drive with this just to see what this is like. These are projector headlights with the LEDs in, so you get a very nice cut-off line, as you can see. I can certainly notice a huge difference just driving around with just one of the bulbs in, so I would say that they are definitely a nice upgrade. These are H1 bulbs, so here is the bulbs in question. So these are the ones with the cooling fan on the back. I will say that fitting these is a little bit difficult because the H1 normally has a very thin area here, because you normally just have the terminal on the back of the bulb, whereas with this large plastic backing, it's very hard to get the clip on and the bulb in the correct place. So just bear that in mind if you've got a H1 and you're fitting a H1 bulb. So yeah, that's the cooling fan on the back. The build quality is pretty good of these from what I can tell. I've only just sort of got them out of the box and fitted them, but I have ordered a set for my fog lights as well as my headlights. The reviews that I read online seem to be quite good for these, so I thought I'd buy a set, give them a go and see what they're like. But yeah, on first impressions of just driving around with it, I can certainly notice a big difference, as you can also see from the right to the left. Fitting is a bit annoying, but I'm sure that the H4s and most of the other bulbs will be very easy to fit. Like I say, it's just because of that large base. And these are these H1 Novsights. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to get some yourself. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. Give us a like if it did.